So yeah, Elon's doing some crazy things.
He's
If we
bad,
take a
man.
look,
I have no idea how this shit's been happening. The market's been dying, but Elon is like literally on. He's like Noah's Ark. He's got all the fucking investors on a boat, and the whole market's flooding, man. It's crazy. What up, people? It's your After Hours Investors. I'm Michael.
and Chris,
Fuck yeah, we're going into our economic calendar today. First things first, we got PMI numbers coming out March 1st. This is just the ISM manufacturing. I don't really know what the ISM stands for, I'm not gonna lie. But this is gonna be really telling for the March month until, we get our CPI numbers, which, might be shitty, might not be. We did get, thrown for a fucking loop with our PPI last month, so we'll really see. And then following up that on March 2nd, we'll have our initial jobless claims. We can see about unemployment, see what's good with that. As we know, if a lot of people aren't working, they're, less likely to ask for higher wages. They'll take what they can get. Not really a good thing, but, it's good for the economy, apparently. So just something to keep in mind. Let's hop on. I just opened up an ad. Let's hop on to TradingView. I'm going to start with SPY today. I was doing a little bit of trading. We had a gap up, pretty instantaneous, as they are. Normally, we touched the bottom of this gap that we've been trying to fill for a while now, but we bounced off of it, and it looks like we've held resistance on the 200 EMA line, which is an interesting one. I still have this line. I think this line of supports from way before as well. And I'm just going to keep it there since, it holds up. And it looks like since the market is still open right now, we're trading a little bit sideways, as it does if you don't get out really fast. Usually, save for some occasions, it does tend to consolidate quite seriously. If we take a look at the VIX, VIX actually is down today. It did go up at first, with the gap up, but it followed by just tanking. And I also put a VXX on here. It is basically the VIX, but you can trade options on this one. I don't know if on Robinhood, but I know on Webull you can trade options on that. So if that's something you're interested in, trading on the VIX, you're not able to trade options on VIX, so you can use the VXX. Chris, you got some thoughts about Tesla?
yeah. So if we take a look over at Tesla's looks like it's going to run into Investor Day. So Investor Day we have on Wednesday, March 1st, and so what they're gonna unveil is details on their next generation EV platform for a lower cost model. And they might finally confirm plans for the long-awaited Model 3 refresh, providing details on the Highland upgrade. And so these price cuts have been doing pretty well for Tesla, and but they are reporting for inventories are growing again, just with the economy and these higher interest loans. People, the consumers getting squeezed basically. But what I am looking for is on Wednesday, if we do keep up this trend, I am looking for a correction. I was expecting to be kind of red going into Investor Day, just because the first move isn't always the right one. But as far as Tesla's going, I think we have another green day coming to Tesla for tomorrow. If you are holding those puts, I'd say you can hedge calls with these, or you can possibly buy when the RSI goes hot. Right now we have RSI of 62, so it's cooking up again. And so yeah, Elon's doing some crazy things.
He's
If we
bad,
take a
man.
look,
I have no idea how this shit's been happening. The market's been dying, but Elon is like literally on. He's like Noah's Ark. He's got all the fucking investors on a boat, and the whole market's flooding, man. It's crazy. Anyway, sorry, my bad, my bad.
yeah, he's on another level. He's collecting like various Tesla cars to his Rolodex, and he's making things happen. He's making moves, and yeah, it's crazy. So if we take a look over Apple, Google, Microsoft, pretty flat, nothing too impressive. Tesla's only the winner. It got the chicken dinner. Disney. It seems like Disney's gonna keep correcting at these levels. You have Michael. You have this on the 3 minute. Let's see the 1 minute real quick.
Yeah.
I mean, sorry, the 1 day, the
Oh,
daily.
okay, all right.
My bad. So yeah. We've corrected quite a bit of the highs from the job cuts. I just would like to report. All these companies have done job cuts. I don't think they can do any more job cuts. Um, or they'll just have like the skeleton crew. Like
Yeah, they could
I
just
don't.
maybe they're hiring robots.
Yeah, maybe they're just filling AI positions now,
Actually,
but
no,
I don't.
job cuts are so crazy. Didn't Google fire like the robots that clean their tables, man? Nobody's safe,
Yeah,
even if you're not a human.
yeah, that's the crazy part. But yeah, if we look at meme stocks, did you cover meme stocks, Michael?
No, I did not, my friend.
So meme stocks, yeah, AMC is looking like it's gonna go to the sky. If we get another green day tomorrow, we could possibly see AMC follow suit. If not, I would consider put positions maybe a month or two out for the $6 to $5 range. I think it's primed. I think I mean, like I said, these short squeezes don't last forever. They don't go to the moon all the times, but when they do, it's a good rule of thumb to just have put positions.
Yeah,
You
Ant-Man
can
took
also
an
sell
L, dude.
calls here. If you have a lot of shares, I'd say just sell calls on the $8 to $10 level, depending where we're at tomorrow. I'd sell calls by the end of this week for $8 to $9, and you'd rack up a lot of premium on those for selling calls. GME, BBY have been seeing a lot of red. Lucid, Nordstrom just pretty flat. Lucid's up 3%. It looks like it might go for that gap fill, but I don't know. You need to see more strength, I'd say. I would still, I think positions are still good in this play, just because we do have, a lot of airtime between the $8 range and the $6 range. So it's like a $2 like there's not too much support around these levels, except in the $8 to $9 range. So I'd be wary getting calls here. We could fill that gap. Uh, I would still consider puts here, but we'll see. Michael, do you want to cover anything?
Yes, cryptocurrency. It looks like Coinbase is up. Don't ask me why. I mean, it doesn't look up, but apparently, according to this, it says it's up a percentage today. Well, I guess it's I really can't tell. Let me see if I drop it on the 3 minute. Maybe we can see. Yeah, I'm not entirely sure what the news is on crypto. I know they're still waiting on that. The government cracking down on staking as a security. Still up in the air about that, but Kraken. I don't remember if it was Kraken or Binance. Sorry, at the moment, but they already cracked down on one company. Got to Trading View. I understand your ads. Okay, I'm sorry, you guys. I should pay for your service. It looks like the government's been cracking down. They have already a successful case under their belt. So, times are looking tough for Coinbase, but the CEO of Coinbase is confident that they can beat this lawsuit. So only time will tell. All the cryptos are in the red today. This is to be expected. It's Monday, the start of the week, and people usually sell their crypto so they can put it into the stock market. You usually see on like Friday and over the weekend, crypto's up because people sell their stock positions, to put it into crypto. So it's just like a nice rotation. So red today is nothing to really sneeze at. Although, my child is down from her highs of, almost $22. It's kind of a bummer, but, I'm a hodler, man. I be holding for day's end. My crypto is long term. We had Bitcoin at almost 100,000 last year or 2 years ago. I think it was like at 68,000. So honestly, it being at 23, I think it's a steal, man. It's dropped down to lows even lower before, and it's always come back. So I don't believe jack shit about the headlines that say crypto's over. And even the headlines that say crypto is going to the moon, I still don't listen to them. I listen to myself. I seen the patterns. Crypto's busting. And of course, bond is my risky play I made just because I noticed it was a little bit undervalued. Not entirely, it's been lower before, but it looked like it. As you can see, we've had moments of high volume, and although we didn't necessarily make a higher high here, it's still like trending upwards. As you can see, we're about to cross the 220 EMA line, and last time this happened, up like $21. So as you can see, bond is not anything to sneeze at, and they don't really follow the trend of Bitcoin. Not always. Like I said, like over here, I'm pretty sure this is July. If we can look at, maybe I'm full of shit, but yeah, Bitcoin was down, not really, loving life during that time, and bond just flew the fuck up. So, something to keep in mind. Chris, you got any concluding thoughts?
Yeah, so I'm liking SPY at these levels right now. If we can hold here, I think we can possibly move up. If we don't, we could just liquid down to, possibly lower lows. But yeah, I don't know. The upside gap could be in play if we can hold here for at least today or tomorrow, maybe even Wednesday. But yeah, we'll see. I'm liking SPY. I'm liking the market today. But yeah, let us know how you're doing in the market. Let us know how you're feeling. And if you like today's video, give us a like, give us a comment. Let us know what you think. And yeah, Michael, do you have any concluding thoughts?
No, honestly, I made $27 today, so I'm gonna get myself a nice Taco Bell meal and some deodorant maybe. So yeah, it's a good day, and I hope it's a great day for y'all
Some
too.
Old
Thanks for
Spice.
watching. Yeah, dude, definitely some Old Spice. I'm gonna actually eat the Old Spice deodorant. I'm so hungry. No, I'm kidding.
Yeah.
Y'all take care. Thanks for watching. Peace out.
See you guys.